Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This video is related to pronoun spotting errors. So you have 10 seconds for each question. Let's begin. Correct answer is answer 2. This statement 2 is incorrect. One should keep his promise. We are talking about a singular person, one. So here instead of his, we need to use one. One should keep one's promise if one wants respect from both friends and enemies. So this his is incorrect here. Correct answer is number 1 statement. You, he and she. We are talking about 3 persons here have done her best. Her best is incorrect. Their best. We are talking about 3 persons. So for the plural, which pronoun we use? It is their. Again, statement second is incorrect. A leader is a group member which exerts profound influence. We are talking about a person, and with persons we don't use which. So what is the correct answer? We need to use who. So statement second is incorrect. Correct answer is answer 4. No error in this sentence. Kamal trusts Ajay more than me because he has been his friend since childhood. This he is referring to the Kamal, and his friend, again this is used for Kamal. So no error in this sentence. Now in this question, correct answer is statement 2. This is incorrect. It will be us who will. Now us is used as a subjective case. जब भी यहाँ पे कोई subjective case लगाना होता है तो हम we का यूज करते हैं, और we का objective case us है. पर क्योंकि इन्होंने subjective case ही us लगा दिया, so this is incorrect. Correct answer is again statement 3. Let's read the sentence. She lent me some money on the condition that I should return the same within a month. Now return the same, we are talking about this money. So money के लिए हम कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे? It is it, not the same. This is awkward and old, and the correct answer is I should return it within a month. Every of the 5 children. Statement 1 is incorrect here. Correct answer is each of the 5 children. Every of the 5 ये कोई since नहीं बनता है, या तो each of the 5 children आएगा, या फिर every space 1 of the 5 children. हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, but most appropriate option जो है वो है each of the 5 children. Now in this sentence, she used finish their homework. They're talking about their homework, means there are many persons. So she तो यहाँ पे definitely नहीं आएगा. या तो she को replace करके हम they कर देंगे, या फिर इस their को replace करके हम her भी कर सकते हैं. She should finish her homework before the class starts. दोनों में से कोई भी अगर she को they करते हैं या फिर their को her करते हैं, दोनों ही sentences जो हैं वो correct हैं. The teacher told us to submit his project by Friday. अब यहाँ पे us लगा हुआ है, means टीचर जो है वो बहुत सारे बच्चों को बोल रही है कि अपना प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो सबमिट करवाओ, और यहाँ पे इन्होंने his लगा दिया. सो प्रोनाउन यहाँ पे मैच नहीं हो रहे. अस का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हम आर लगाएंगे, OUR. सो द टीचर टोल्ड अस टू सबमिट आवर प्रोजेक्ट बाय Friday. This is the correct sentence. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. If you want such more videos, then do like, share and subscribe this channel. Meet you with the new video. Till then, enjoy your learning. Have a nice day. Bye bye.